Model 2014 Vauxhall Combo 2000 L1H1 1.3 Cdti starts, runs, drives, timing chain, noisy, no VAT. Body white, panel van. Mileage 105,759. Engine 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs with a rattle. Timing chain is stretched. Straightforward timing chain replacement job, definitely worth repairing. Nice clean decent mileage combo. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.